are going into a 1-bedroom deluxe. First walk into the door. It's this little hallway with a closet. And it has a washing machine and dryer. That door is to another unit. It's just a hot water heater and stuff in there. That's when you come to the front. It has a full kitchen, toaster, a full-size refrigerator. It has a blender for margaritas. It has everything that you can need to cook. Everything is clean and neat. A whole pot set, a big stove, microwave, glasses, plates and dishes and everything. That's the kitchen. Then we're gonna go, they have a little bar, a little wet bar area. Then this is the dinette. This could sleep up to 6 people, I believe. This is the living room. And this is the back patio. They have other rooms with bigger patios, but this is just the one that we got this time. Has a little patio area. We can sit outside and chill and stuff. The other sides, they have a pool to them, but you know, we get different ones every time. So, the living room. Now we are going to go into the room. Right? TV. Bed. They have the bed like kind of catty corner. And then they have the hot tub. 2-person. You have your shower. You have the vanity. Private bathroom area. Just regular. And this is the full view of the 1-bedroom deluxe at Star Island. Like I said, they do have other rooms. In the other rooms, it's a sliding door right here, and you can walk from the room to the living room. This is our first time having a room with this setup. And I'm gonna give y'all a full view from the other side. It's next to Disney. You get discounts on tickets. They have, I believe they have a shuttle to take you, and I'll show you guys the pool area in another video. I just want to do a little walkthrough and show you guys Star Island Resort. Take a minute and show y'all, these are the kind of carts that they have to bring your stuff up with. I think that's really neat. You can load up everything and bring it on upstairs. So I just want to show y'all the kind of things they have here at Star Island.